Hi, I'm Sai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a makeup look. Okay, so this is my first YouTube video and I was really confused. What should I make? What should I shoot? And what should be my first YouTube video? So after a lot of brainstorming, a lot of scrolling through YouTube and thinking a bit and doubting my ideas and all this chaos, I came up with this idea, which can seem a very typical and very why did you think so much about it idea. But today we are going to do a spring makeup look. Okay, but I'm trying to make it very Indian, or to be specific, I'm trying to make it very Marathi as a concept. In Marathi, spring season is called Vasanta Rutu. Okay.
Okay, so I was editing this video. I'll show you. Wait. So, yeah, it is very difficult to edit this video because I am talking nonsense in this video. But that's not the point. Point is, here I said okay, and I realized that this is a trait that my father has. He's a professor, and he used to teach me one NTS class in school, and I was very duh in maths and physics, so he used to teach me at home also. So after telling anything, he used to say okay, and me and my brothers, we used to count his okays while sitting in his lecture. Everybody else is paying attention to him and everything, and what we were doing, we were counting his okays. So yeah, that reminded me of that. If I can get, I'll attach a video of him saying okay. I'll try my best, but yeah.
So this season is called Vasanta Rutu is called King of Rutus. Because this is the season of rejuvenation and flowers are blooming in this season, and there are many Indian festivals which celebrate the harvest. Everybody is very happy in this season. Even the climate is very nice, not too cold, not too hot, nice and warm and cozy, but still a little bit of cold is there, winter is there. We are transitioning from winter to summers, and there is if we go out and see in the nature, there are so many vibrant colors in nature. So even the green of the plants is really vibrant because of the light that we are getting in this season, because of the sunlight. देर इज नाईस, म्हणजे छान कोवळं ऊन पडलेलं असतं, खूप हार्श नसतं, वॉर्म वाटत असतं, पण छान कोवळं ऊन असतं, त्याचा तो एक येलो कलर असतो. त्याच्यानंतर देर आर मेनी फ्लावर्स विच आर व्हेरी वायब्रंट इन कलर. दे आर ब्लूमिंग इन दिस सीझन. So I'm trying to capture the essence and vibe of this season in this makeup look. Why I'm saying I'm trying to capture it in a Indian way as a concept, because when I went through a lot of spring makeup looks. Oh, here are my some inspirations, you can see. Of course, I'm not a pro makeup artist. I just do makeup for fun. So I don't know how it is going to turn out. But yeah, what I was saying is that when I was looking for inspiration, I found out that this is a very interesting concept because it is very fun, it is very fresh, it is very glowy. So but I'm going to try to incorporate colors which we can see in Indian spring. So as you can see, I'm wearing this nice yellow kurta, nice vibrant and fresh yellow kurta, which has a little bit of red, green, peach or orange or something like that. So yes, so I don't know how this look is going to turn out, because even I'm trying this look for first time, and as I said, I do makeup for the first I do makeup for fun. So Yeah, and this is my first YouTube video, so if anything goes wrong, please अंडरस्टँड दॅट. समजून घ्या. मला आत्तापर्यंत खूप फंबल झालेत माझे, सो प्लीज तेही समजून घ्या. आणि येस, लेट्स हॅव फन जस्ट लाईक वसंत ऋतू. सो also I have just taken a bath. I have washed my hair, trying to get inspired from that very wet and fresh look. I have kept my hair wet and untamed. And yeah, one more thing, while I was taking the bath, I washed my hair with a nice smelling shampoo which smells a lot like flowers, and even my soap was a jasmine soap. So I felt really good, and I think for me makeup is not just about the visuals or how it looks. It's also about how I feel. So yeah, I'm feeling very springy. I am feeling a lot flowery and nice and fresh and vibrant. So I hope this feeling of mine converts into the makeup look that I am attempting. So खूप झाली बडबड. Now let's start the video. Yes, so let's start the makeup. तसं मी स्किन केअर वगैरे सगळी केलेली आहे. आय हॅव डन नाईस स्किन केअर रुटीन बिफोर डुईंग दिस मेकअप. Everyone should do it. But yeah, if you want me to make a pre-makeup or in general skincare routine video, please let me know in the comments. Here is a little trick that I used to do before I started doing makeup and everything when I was in college, that I used to take some face oil and put it on my high points, so on my cheeks, a little bit on bridge of my nose, and all the high points which get naturally highlighted. So it gives like a nice effect of strobe cream or highlighter. So I'm doing this because I'm not going in for whole face, so I'm doing this. Another thing is that I put my lip balm before starting the makeup, so that until I reach where I put my lipstick, my lips are properly prepped. Here I've taken brown kajal because brown kajal gives that soft kind of look, but still it defines your eyes. So yes, brown kajal instead of black kajal. And I'm just lining my lower, what it is called, my lower lash line? No, what it is called? Anyways. This is a very old eyebrow pencil, very old. I don't even remember when I bought this. I'll show you how old it is. See. Yeah, this is just me being chaotic. But the point is that that the eyebrow pencil is very old, and it is black. So if you are going to buy eyebrow pencil, please opt for dark brown or dark grey, so that it is not in the face black. But yeah, it is very light, so it doesn't bother me, and I just feather it out with the brush and my fingers. Yeah, so I use lipstick as everything. As my eyeshadow base, as my blush, as my lipstick and whatnot. So this is a very nice lipstick, very beautiful formulation, and it is perfectly red. So I'm just shearing it out as my eyeshadow base because I'm going in for red and green and brown sort of a look. Yeah, so it is kind of
maroonish brown color, which I'm putting all over my eyelids. Terracotta color.
आयलायनर मला आरच्या इतक्या लांबनं लावता येईल असं काही वाटत नाही आहे. सो मी आयलायनर लावणार आहे आणि परत येणार आहे. ओके.
One eternity later.
ओके. सो आय एम बॅक. आयलायनरची गंमत अशी आहे ना की कितीही वेळ घेऊन आपण आयलायनर लावलं तरी असं वाटतं की दोन्ही डोळ्याचं सेम झालं नाहीये. मग या डोळ्याचं थोडं मोठं मग ह्याचं मोठं करतो. मग असं वाटतं की नाही हे मोठं झालंय सो आपण या डोळ्याचं मोठं करतो. सो हे खूप नेव्हर एंडिंग आहे. सो मी फायनली थांबले आणि सध्या आयलायनरची ही परिस्थिती आहे. मला खूपच एक्सपेरिमेंटल होण्याची खूपच इच्छा होती. सो मला असं वाटतंय की ग्राफिक लायनर वगैरे ट्राय करावं, असं इकडे वगैरे काहीतरी लावावं. पण एक काम करूयात, अख्खा मेकअप लुक कम्प्लीट झाल्यानंतर आपण हा डिसिजन घेऊयात ग्राफिक लायनर करायचं की नाही. ओके.
So after a long budbud session and contemplating about the makeup looks, finally we are using our trusty rusty lipstick as blush. So it is a very hydrating and moussey formula, so it works beautifully as a blush. And I saw that reel where that Victoria Secret models they put a red blush on their cheeks instead of pink or other color because it looks very nice and flushed and as if you're naturally blushing. So because we are going in for spring makeup, we are putting red lipstick as blush so it looks flushed. I don't know what I did right now, but time for lipstick finally, using lipstick as lipstick. And instead of usually I put proper full coverage lipstick, but because this is a spring look, I have put a little dots on my lips and I'm feathering that lipstick out with my fingers so that it gives that Korean kind of feathered lipstick look, as you can see. And that red is also very looks very natural and not in your face red or editorial look kind of red and very spring red. So yeah, and I don't waste my lipstick. I love my lipstick too much, so I use the remaining as blush again. Yeah, and I like lining my lips with a little bit darker color. This is a reddish, brownish, maroonish kind of lip liner, but you can skip it altogether. I just like the look of lip liner. So yeah, I like my lipstick look to be a little bit more structured. So yeah, that's just a habit. Yeah, again contemplating about what I should do and taking forever, and I don't know what I am doing. Okay, a little bit more blush because how much blush is enough blush? Yeah, so this was the brilliant idea that struck me before 2 seconds. I am attempting to do this graphic liner thing. So I'm taking this very proper red eyeshadow and I am taking it on a very flat brush and I'm creating this sort of a curved line that follows my eyelid. So yeah, it is not much visible, but still it gives that kind of a fun experimental look to my whole eye makeup look. Oh, also I have used green eyeliner. Yeah, so that combination, I also wanted to do some combination of red and green. That's why I chose to do this graphic liner thing in red color. Now this is also a trick that I learned before some days, that if you want to give your eye that elongated look, what you can do is you can extend your eyeliner, or in this case that eyeshadow on that flat brush, and you can extend your inner corner of the eye. The way we extend our outer corner of the eye with eyeliner, you have to do it with your inner corner as well. So it gives that elongated kind of shape to your eye. It just enhances your eye shape.
एक ब्रिलियंट आइडिया सीख लिए सो एक रैंडम कट लाऊं याद आता है पर
So this was the brilliant idea that I put a little dots in on the side of my winged eyeliner and a small dot to create a mole, or and I chose to keep it green because you know that tattoos which are called kondan, they are natural tattoos. They are a little bit green in color. So yeah, it gives a very Indian look to the whole spring look thing, which I love. So the makeup is finally done. So I'm very lazy about it when it comes to hair, and I just washed my hair, so it was a little bit curly. So I just pinned it in the back, pulled out my baby hair as bangs, and yeah, very low effort and fun. Yeah, taking out baby hair is a very important part of any hairstyle that we do. I hope you all can relate to this. So yes, very excited. These terracotta earrings, which are again red and green. You can choose any colorful earrings that match your skin tones. Oh, and these very cute bangles that I don't know where I got it. Maybe in Dastakari Hut. It has small beaded flowers on it. I love them. And other jewelry, rings, my bracelet. Yeah. I just noticed that I have eyeliner trials on back of my hand, so I'm just cleaning it. And what Indian look is complete without a bindi? So of course I'm going in with bindi, a green bindi. The struggles of getting that bindi sticker off is very real, you know. So finally, see, the whole look becomes complete after putting on a bindi. And yeah, again, a little bit more of face oil instead of highlighter and putting it on my high points. This is a very easy trick, you know, and if you have dry skin like mine, it is also skincare and it also looks nice, and you can skip the highlighter altogether. So yeah, I don't know how oh, also put it on your neck also to show off your collarbones and everything. And yes, smelling good, smelling like spring is also very important to complete the look.
Oh, one more important thing. As I said, for me, makeup is not just about how the look is. It is also about how I feel. So to feel a little bit more spring-like or Vasanta Rutuचा feel येण्यासाठी, to feel that spring vibe, of course, I need to smell like Vasanta Rutu. So as I mentioned earlier, I took a bath with really floral shampoo and a nice jasmine soap. I am going to just add this attar. खूप थोड़ा chill लगे, but this is really nice and floral, again floral and woody, so I'm just going to add a little bit of it. Smells so good. Wow, I instantly feel a lot more fresh and happy after spritzing this perfume. So yeah. Oh, one more thing, I forgot to add mascara while doing the makeup, so I did that off camera. You can instantly see the difference in my lashes. It's not much because the mascara I used is really natural mascara. This is the mascara that I used. I'll attach everything, all the names of all the products. But yeah, I added this. I really like this mascara. I'm using this for 3 months or something like that. Because 3 months? No. Retake. I'm using it for 3 years now. I don't care if it expired. I should care about it, but it doesn't. It doesn't sting my eyes. My eyes are really sensitive. There are a lot of my eyeliner doesn't look that green, but it looks very green in this bottle. I don't know why it is not looking so green on my eyes. I really like this addition of this small dot. It makes it even more Indian, you know. I did not do foundation, concealer, color correction, contour and everything because all my inspirations were very chill and very fresh and very dewy and very low effort looking kind of makeup look. So I did not do the base. Instead, I focused more on my skincare. But yeah. And yes, so here is the whole look. Enjoy the Vasanta Rutu. Sink in that vibe, that fun, vibrant feel of Vasanta Rutu. So yes, happy Vasanta Rutu and happy spring to you all. And thank you. As I said, this is my first YouTube video, so please subscribe to my channel. I would really love to explore more things with you all, and also tell me what I could have done better, or what you liked, what you did not like in the comments. Also let me know what kind of spring makeup you would have done. Or would you try this look? If you try, please send me the photos of your makeup. I would love to watch it. And also let me know in the comments what you would like to see on my channel. So I'll try to make videos on that subject as well. Or tell me what kind of makeup looks you would like to see on this channel. And yes, so like this video, share this with your friends, family, and if you don't like this video, share it with your enemies. No, I'm just kidding. Please subscribe and let's have fun on this channel. Thank you.